Kiara Advani made her debut at the Met Gala 2025 and I was so inspired and I was actually waiting for her to debut her look. I really love this bronze, beautiful, smoky eye look that she had worn and I really wanted to recreate it. So if you're interested in Met Gala looks for Kiara Advani, let's get started with today's video. To start with our brows, I'm using the ABH Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown. I have gone one shade lighter than my brows because Kiara had very fluffy brows. Create soft hair-like strokes. I'm using the Rare Beauty Brow Gel to seal them in place. This is not sticky or clumpy, but it creates that fluffy look. For eye primer, I'm using the Hourglass Veil Eye Primer. I'm not using any concealer on the eyelids because of the products I'm using later on. With the Charlotte Tilbury Cosmic Gold pencil, I'm going to be applying this all over the lid. This is a very long-lasting pencil and with the eye primer, it'll stay put all day or for any event that you wear it to. And now with the Jessup E04 brush, which is a bit dense, I'm going to be blending that into the crease. Now let's do the same on the other eye, and we're going to be gently applying the eye crayon on the lid. And with the same Jessup brush, blend that into the crease. With the Florasis Gold Brown eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be tapping the bronze shade a bit on the lid. This is completely optional. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content. So please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. And now with the Bobbi Brown Kohl pencil, I'm going to be applying this very close to the lash line first. I'm using cream on cream because it blends out a lot more easily. And now with the Refer 03 brush, which is a pencil brush, blend that out. If you've got hooded eyes, do not make this line too thick as it will look heavy. And now I'm going to be applying the eyeliner a bit more and I'm going to be blending it out. Do the same on the other eye. Take your time because this is black and it can be a bit tricky to blend. With this black shade from the Natasha Denona palette, I'm going to be setting the eyeliner. There are two main benefits. The eyeliner looks a bit more dark and you've also set the cream eyeliner in place. Now with the Morphe M160 brush, we're going to be tapping into the black shade again and carving out a very soft wing. you want to pull out the line and then blend it back into the eyeliner. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. And back into the Charlotte Tilbury Cosmic Gold pencil, apply that to the bottom lash line. Go ahead and blend it out softly. And now with the black shade that we used before and a pencil brush, apply that into the gaps between the lashes. Here we are increasing the smokiness and intensity of the eye look. With a Maybelline Tattoo Liner in the shade Biscotti Cream, we're going to be applying this to the waterline. Now take your lash curler and curl your lashes. Do this twice on each eye. And now with my Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, you can use any volumizing one. Apply that to the lashes. For this look, I want my lashes to show a bit more, so I'm applying 2 coats. After mascara, you are also free to go and apply false lashes. Apply 1 coat only on the bottom lashes. And there you go guys, this is Kiara Advani's Met Gala debut look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.